Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. When the stone is exposed to the environment, then the deterioration of a stone is take place. There are the various agencies which cause the deterioration of a stones are atmospheric conditions, oxidation, temperatures, frost, dust particles and the organic growth and winds. Atmospheric conditions. The stones are attacked by the atmospheric environment. The main agent is the rainwater, which enter the cracks and the pores of a stones. Dissolve oxygens, carbon dioxides, and the sulfur dioxides come in contact with the grime and soot of the building. Carbon dioxide dissolve in the water to produce a carbonic acid. Similarly, sulfur dioxide produce a sulfurous acid, which again react with the dissolved oxygen to produce a sulfuric acid. Acidity thus produce a attack on a carbonate rock, magnesium rock, mortar and cement containing a free lime. Granite, sandstone and slate are also affected by these reactions. Sulfuric acid convert a calcium and magnesium carbonate into a sulfates which are easily washed away by the rainwater. The water in the pore remain these salts which are converted as a result of a evaporation into a gypsum and Epsom salt. The volume expansion of these crystals create a internal stress and can cause a serious damage. Stones having a pores undergoes a deterioration because of these above chemical conditions. Oxidation. Stone contains a ferrous carbonate, magnesium carbonate and the iron pyrites. This substance easily oxidize and affect the color of the stones. Sulfuric acid is produced by the chemical reaction between the ferrous disulfate and the water in presence of the oxygen cause a structural damage. Seawater, river water and the underground water also cause the deterioration of a stone in the same way. Temperature. Some mineral crack under a sharp changes and the variation in the temperature because of a difference in the linear expansion coefficient of a different material presence in the stones. Since the rock are poor in a conductor of a heat, the surface of the rock and its interior are subjected to a different strain. Granite suffer a great deterioration as compared to the other simple rock. Frost. Water may freeze in a cold condition and expand, causing a damage to the mineral. Argillaceous sandstones are affected in this way. Dust particle and organic growth. Dust particle contain a organic and the inorganic acid arising out of a domestic and the industrial waste. It get accumulate on the surface of a stones and enter the pore. These particles are weighted by the humidity and the bacteriological process are get started. Microorganisms produce acid and attack the stone. Wind. It wears out stones because of a dust particles and its humidity impart a dampness causing a deterioration.